Toyota is introducing an updated Tundra for 2027, sharpening its bold design, advancing its technology and expanding its capability with the addition of the all-new Trailhunter package. Drawing on customer feedback and continued study of how Tundra owners live, work and explore, the updated truck reflects Toyota's ongoing mission to build full-size vehicles that strengthen the connection between active lifestyles and genuine truck capability. Developed by Toyota Motor North America teams, including Toyota's quality design research in Ann Arbor, Michigan, the 2027 Tundra features a more modern and purpose-driven front-end treatment that emphasizes strength, performance, and authenticity. The updated design reinforces Tundra's role as a full-size pickup built for customers who expect their truck to deliver capability with confidence, while adding a more refined and tailored appearance that aligns with evolving customer tastes. The 2027 Tundra introduces the new Trailhunter package, a rugged overlanding offering based on the SR5 grade and built for customers who want enhanced trail performance straight from the factory. This package adds Michelin LTX Trail 265/70 R18 tires, an Old Man Emu upgraded suspension, front recovery hooks, and additional underbody protection to help prepare the truck for more demanding terrain. Positioned at a more accessible price point, the Trailhunter package helps make adventure-ready capability more attainable for customers looking to get out and explore. The package also includes key off-road technologies such as multi-terrain select, crawl control and a locking rear differential, supporting traction and control in a wide range of challenging conditions. Trailhunter further distinguishes itself with unique bronze-colored wheels and exclusive badges, creating a strong visual identity that matches its capability-focused hardware. Together, these features make Trailhunter a compelling choice for customers seeking a more adventure-ready Tundra with genuine overlanding character. The updated 2027 Tundra reflects a design philosophy rooted in strength, purpose, and capability. Quality's design direction emphasizes a crisp, square front geometry with a vertically aligned strength that communicates power and maximum hauling confidence. The result is bold, modern, and rugged, while remaining true to Toyota's truck DNA. Across the lineup, the new front design language is well-balanced and sophisticated, with a wide, stable stance, and a center-lower bumper treatment that reinforces ruggedness. Rectangular fog lights are integrated cleanly into the bumper for added function, while the grille designs adopt a rugged hexagonal theme that adapts to different trims and personalities. The Tundra lineup also continues to reflect how Toyota tailors each vehicle to specific customer lifestyles. From ultra-rugged off-road grades to ultra-premium variants, the updated design strategy supports a broader range of customer needs while preserving the authenticity and toughness expected of a Toyota truck. The TRD Pro grade continues to stand out as the most off-road-focused expression of Tundra, bringing race-inspired hardware and a distinctive visual identity to the lineup. For 2027, TRD Pro is equipped with newly designed and Tundra-tuned Fox-enhanced Q3S shocks, which are adjustable and engineered to help provide enhanced feel, stability, and adjustability over rough terrain. The new Honeycomb color adds a bold, high-impact presence that underscores its adventurous character, while standard red tow hooks add a rugged, functional accent to the exterior and reinforce the truck's purposeful off-road identity. Inside, available ISO dynamic seats help support comfort and stability during off-road driving. The available TRD Performance package adds another layer of excitement, enhancing the truck's already robust character with hardware and tuning aimed at drivers who want even more dynamic performance from their Tundra. The 2027 Tundra receives the newest version of the Toyota Audio Multimedia system. Developed in North America in partnership with Toyota Motor North America and Toyota Connected North America, the new system integrates AT&T 5G network connectivity. It features an intuitive, smartphone-like design that offers customizable widgets on its new home screen. It also has new embedded voice assistant functions that enable faster responses to "Hey Toyota" prompts. Tundra now standardizes a 14-inch screen that delivers a larger and more advanced digital interface. The latest generation system also includes the launch of a standard built-in drive recorder dash cam. When enabled, the vehicle's exterior cameras, front, rear or PVM if equipped, are designed to capture 20-second clips of both manual and triggered events. Enhanced digital key functionality is also available with the 2027 Tundra with an active remote connect trial or subscription. In addition to accessing digital key from the Toyota app, drivers can now manage functionality within their compatible smart devices' native digital wallet app such as Apple, Google or Samsung, including locking, unlocking, starting and operating their supported Toyota vehicle. Subscribers can also share and manage digital key sharing permissions with up to 5 additional drivers directly through their digital wallet. Once digital key is enabled in the wallet, it can use near-field communication (NFC) to continue to provide access to the vehicle for a period of time even if the device has no battery life. The updated Tundra also brings hardware improvements aimed at improving visibility and confidence. The grille-mounted LED light bar has been upgraded for brighter output, and available rigid fog lights further enhance illumination in low visibility conditions. Available front recovery hooks add both utility and a more assertive visual presence. Tundra also offers a 2.4 kW inverter on iForce Max grades, providing power for tools, gear, and recreational equipment. Whether on the job, at a campsite or on the move, the inverter adds another layer of versatility to the truck's already well-rounded capability. The 2027 Tundra is offered in a range of grades to meet the needs of a broad spectrum of truck customers. Grades include SR, SR5, Limited, Platinum, 1794 Edition, TRD Pro and Capstone, along with the available Trailhunter package for customers seeking enhanced factory-built overlanding capability. The truck is available with both gas and hybrid powertrain options, with a gas-powered twin-turbo V6 delivering strong everyday performance and towing capability, while the available hybrid iForce Max powertrain adds even more torque and responsiveness for customers who want enhanced capability. Together, these grades and powertrain choices help Tundra serve customers looking for work-ready utility, premium comfort, off-road performance and everyday versatility. The Toyota Tundra comes with the updated Toyota Safety Sense system. The newest version of Toyota's standard active safety and convenience suite brings updates to its hardware and detection capabilities and has the following features: pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, full-speed dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, proactive driving assist. Toyota's 36-month or 36,000-mile basic new vehicle warranty applies to all components other than normal wear and maintenance items. Additional 60-month warranties cover the powertrain for 60,000 miles and against perforation from corrosion for 60 months with no mileage limitation. Hybrid-related components that require repairs needed to correct defects in materials or workmanship are covered for 8 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first from original date of first use when sold as new. The hybrid battery is covered for 10 years or 150,000 miles, whichever comes first, and is transferable across ownership. The 2027 Toyota Tundra also comes with Toyota Care, a plan covering normal factory-scheduled maintenance, for 1 year or 10,000 miles, whichever comes first, and 2 years, unlimited mileage of roadside assistance.